Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 57th tutorial in this course, and this tutorial is going to be a short one. We're going to talk about null pointers, right? So a null pointer is a pointer that is pointing to no location in the memory, right? And that is what its job is. So if you want to have a pointer variable in your program that is not going to point to some memory location, then you have to, declare it and initialize it this way, just as I have done it on line 4. So before I talk about the program, you can see that I have saved this file in the memory. I've given it the name null_pointers.c, and on line 1 in this file I have my stdio.h header file, and on line 2 I have the main function declaration, and then between the curly braces I have just 2 statements of code. And on line 4, as you can see, I have declared an integer pointer. It's called ptr, and I've given it the value null, right? So that's null, the word, and then I put in a semicolon to terminate the statement. On the next line, I have used printf to display the value that's stored in the pointer variable, which should be the address of some memory location. And we're going to see what value ptr holds. It's not that the pointer variable here does not hold any value. It actually points to the 0th location in the memory. And there are a lot of operating systems that do not allow such a thing, but you can do this with Windows. And let me run the program and show you guys the output. There you go. You can see that the value of ptr is 0, right? So currently the pointer variable ptr is pointing to the 0th memory location, and that basically means that it's pointing to nowhere currently, right? So it's not that this pointer variable is uninitialized. It is initialized, but it's not pointing to any memory location, right? So that's what the significance of null pointers is. And in this course we're not going to use null pointers much, but if you are programming and if you're sure that in your program you're going to use pointer variables, but you do not know how you're going to initialize your pointer variables, then it's actually pretty safe and wise to make all your pointers null pointers first, and then when you know what values you have to assign to your pointers, then you can initialize them in different ways. But it's a good thing to do things this way, so you're not going to unnecessarily harm the data in your memory. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and those of you who are preparing for exams that you're going to write for C programming language, or this is a topic that's touched quite a lot in C job interviews. People love to ask what null pointers are, and null pointers are really simple, and I'm sure you guys appreciate that too. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, in which we'll continue our discussion on pointers. And thank you so much for watching this one, and please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already, and I'll see you soon.